If you've ever sat on your bed at 3 p.m., staring at the wall, knowing you should do something, but you feel completely hollow, like your tank isn't just empty, it's been scraped clean. And every motivational video you watch just makes it worse, because you want to move forward, but you can't even lift your head off the pillow. This video is for you. And no, this isn't another just get up and grind talk, because real discipline when you're empty has nothing to do with willpower. Most people think self-discipline is about pushing harder, but when you're emotionally drained, when you're numb, disconnected, or just blank, pushing harder doesn't work. It backfires. Your brain is already in survival mode, your nervous system is fatigued, your motivation centers offline. So when you tell yourself, just do it, your body hears you're failing again. That's why you freeze. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're empty. And trying to fill emptiness with pressure only makes the hole deeper. So what do you do when you need discipline but you have nothing left to give? You stop fighting the emptiness and you start working with it. Forget big goals. Right now, your only job is to make the smallest possible promise to yourself and keep it. Not write the report, just open the document. Not work out for an hour, just put on your shoes. These aren't tasks, they're trust builders. Every micro-commitment you keep, even if you stop right after, rebuilds your sense of agency. And agency is the foundation of real discipline. When your mind is blank, your body still knows how to respond. So before you ask yourself to think, reconnect physically. Splash cold water on your face. Take 3 slow breaths. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Stand up, stretch for 30 seconds. This isn't self-care fluff, it's neuroscience. You're telling your nervous system, we're safe, we can move. Discipline starts in the body, not the mind. Here's the part no one tells you. When you're empty, doing less is how momentum begins. If opening the document feels like too much, just sit at your desk for 2 minutes. If that feels impossible, stand in the doorway. Reduce the task until it feels almost ridiculous, because action, even tiny action, creates evidence, and evidence slowly refills the well. Last November, I hit a wall. Back-to-back projects, family stress, life stacking up. For 2 weeks, I couldn't reply to emails, couldn't edit, couldn't even decide what to eat. I felt like a ghost in my own life. So I tried something different. 1 thing per day. Day 1, open laptop. Close it. Done. Day 2, open laptop, type 1 sentence. Close it. Day 3, 1 sentence, save it. By day 7, half a script was written. Not because motivation came back, but because I stopped demanding energy I didn't have and started respecting the little I did have. Discipline when you're empty isn't about force, it's about showing up, even if you can only sit in the chair for 60 seconds. That counts. You showing up, even barely, counts. So today, choose 1 micro-commitment, 1 small anchor, 1 step so small it feels almost silly. Do it not to achieve something, but to remind yourself, I'm still here. If this resonated, comment below. What's 1 micro-step you'll take today? Your words might be the reminder someone else needs. And if you're tired of toxic positivity and want grounded human motivation, subscribe.